Take a moment, close your eyes and picture this. Your legs feel wobbly, like jelly, as you try to stand. The next morning, even lifting a glass of water makes your arms tremble. Panic sets in. What's going on? What if I told you the real cause is already at work inside you, quietly weakening your muscles without warning? Even if you're past 80, you'll soon discover exactly which foods can rebuild your strength. Stay with me. As you read these lines, did you know your muscles are breaking down this very second? That strange weakness you feel isn't just in your mind. Past the age of 50, your body begins silently destroying muscle tissue. No pain, no signs, no alerts. This hidden condition, sarcopenia, is stealing your power and independence. Ever woken up drained, struggled off the couch, or felt unsteady on stairs? This isn't normal aging. Doctors rarely mention it, yet it affects millions of older adults. Sarcopenia is now a disease officially recognized by the World Health Organization. It operates silently, unlike illnesses that bring fever or pain. No warnings, no sirens. It weakens you slowly until the signs are undeniable: poor balance, weak legs, difficulty rising from a chair or bed, unexplained falls that happen more and more. A surprising truth comes from Harvard Medical School. After 60, even healthy eaters can lose up to 33% of muscle mass. Even worse, it often starts earlier in your 50s. One small step today could change everything. If you or someone you love is over 50, hit the notification bell and subscribe. Every week, we share health info that could truly improve your life. Our next video might be just what you need. Ready for some good news? Stick with me. If you're watching, type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0. Here's the uplifting part. Muscle loss isn't your destiny. New science shows that smart eating helped 91% of people over 70 regain muscle in just 6 weeks. I'll explain how shortly. Some foods contain natural compounds that help even those over 80 restore strength. While aging changes your body, sarcopenia can be managed and even reversed with simple steps. Imagine certain foods reversing that silent decline. For those over 80, nutrition can be more powerful than medicine. One food stands out: brown rice. A steady energy source that helps preserve muscle. Often overlooked for white rice, brown rice has vital nutrients crucial for aging muscles. Keeps the bran in germ, offering complex carbs, fiber, and key vitamins. Unlike white rice, which is stripped of these, brown rice delivers sustained energy, essential for activity, muscle repair, and strength. Its slow-digesting carbs prevent the blood sugar highs and crashes that drain energy. Seniors need steady energy to stay active and preserve muscle mass. Brown rice's fiber not only boosts energy but also aids digestion and keeps bowels regular, both critical as we age. Plus, it helps keep blood sugar stable, which supports muscle movement and strength. Brown rice also contains key vitamins and minerals that boost muscle health. Magnesium is one of the most important. It fuels muscle contraction and keeps cramping at bay. It regulates the signals that trigger muscle movement. That's vital for older adults who often face tightness and spasms. Brown rice. Quinoa is packed with B vitamins, especially B12, which is crucial for red blood cell production and healthy nerve function. These are essential for maintaining muscle strength and coordination. A lack of B12 can lead to muscle fatigue, weakness, and even neurological problems that reduce mobility. Quinoa has become a favorite among people who care about their health, particularly seniors, because of its muscle-supporting benefits. It's one of the few plant-based sources of complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids the body can't make on its own. These amino acids are key to muscle growth, repair, and regeneration. For seniors, getting enough of them is vital to prevent muscle breakdown and maintain mobility. Since our ability to process protein declines with age, it's important to include high-protein foods regularly. Quinoa is easy to digest and can be added to many meals, providing about 8 grams of protein per cup. Plus, its fiber helps with digestion and keeps blood sugar steady, important for avoiding energy crashes that affect muscle performance. Quinoa also delivers iron, magnesium, and B vitamins. Magnesium supports muscle relaxation. Iron ensures muscles get enough oxygen. And B vitamins help convert food into energy. Together, these nutrients make quinoa an ideal food for energy, muscle strength, and overall health. Blueberries are a surprising ally in the fight against muscle aging. Packed with antioxidants, they help repair tiny muscle damage, reduce inflammation, and support faster recovery, especially for seniors. Alongside their antioxidant power, blueberries offer vitamin C and potassium to nourish muscles and protect them long-term. Regular intake boosts not only physical strength but also brain health, memory, and heart function. Eating 1 cup a day, fresh or frozen, is a simple and delicious defense against muscle decline. Now, meet flax seeds, the small but mighty seeds with major muscle-building benefits. Rich in protein, fiber, and omega-3s, flax seeds help reduce inflammation, support recovery, and maintain strong muscles in aging adults. Their antioxidant lignans shield muscle cells, while fiber improves digestion and nutrient absorption. Add just 1 or 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds daily to your meals to strengthen your muscles from the inside out. Simple, powerful, and perfectly suited for senior health. Flax seeds might be tiny, but they hold powerful benefits for aging muscles. These little seeds are loaded with plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, especially alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, which is known for reducing inflammation throughout the body. For seniors, this is a game changer. As we age, chronic low-grade inflammation becomes more common, contributing to faster muscle breakdown and slower recovery. Including flax seeds in your diet helps counteract this, protecting muscle tissue from the silent damage that often goes unnoticed. But that's not all. Flax seeds are also rich in fiber and high-quality plant protein, which both support muscle maintenance and digestive health. The fiber helps keep the gut healthy, and a healthy gut can improve nutrient absorption, making sure your muscles get the protein, vitamins, and minerals they need. These seeds also contain lignans, which are plant compounds that support hormonal balance, especially important for seniors experiencing age-related hormonal shifts that affect muscle mass. A tablespoon of ground flaxseed daily, sprinkled on cereal, mixed in smoothies, or added to baked goods, can go a long way. It's also one of the best ways for plant-based eaters to get essential omega-3s without fish. Consistent use can lead to better muscle tone, less joint stiffness, and improved energy levels throughout the day. Think of flax seeds as nature's silent protectors, supporting you from the inside out, 1 spoonful at a time. As we age, our muscles become less sensitive to the natural triggers that promote growth and repair. One of the most effective ways to combat this is by adding omega-3 fatty acids to your diet, especially those found in fatty fish like salmon and mackerel. A 100-gram portion of salmon provides both healthy fats and about 20 grams of high-quality protein. But that's not all. Seniors also experience reduced vitamin D production, and fatty fish help fill that gap too, supporting bone and muscle health together. Research shows that eating fatty fish just twice a week can help seniors maintain strength and mobility. These omega-3s reduce joint inflammation, making it easier to stay active. And staying active is key to preserving muscle mass. Add to that the powerful amino acids in fatty fish, and it's clear why this food is so essential. But don't stop at fish. Lean proteins, like cottage cheese, lean beef, and quinoa, are just as important. As we age, we need more protein, not less. Seniors need up to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. And they need more leucine, the amino acid that sparks muscle growth. Foods like lean meat and cottage cheese are rich in leucine and digest slowly, fueling muscle repair throughout the day. A 100-gram serving of lean beef provides 25 grams of complete protein, along with iron, zinc, and B vitamins, all essential for muscle energy and oxygen use. 4 plant-based diets, combining whole grains, nuts, and legumes can create a complete protein too. Just remember, spread your protein intake throughout the day for the best result. Grill or roast your proteins, and avoid fried or salty versions. 2 or 3 servings per week can make all the difference. Start now. Because unlike some other age-related changes, muscle loss can be reversed if you act in time. Your meals today shape your strength tomorrow. The power to protect your muscles isn't in expensive treatments, it's already in your kitchen. If this video helped you, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Watch our next video to learn about 3 morning routines that can extend your life. And please, share this video with someone who may be struggling with strength or mobility. You might change their life. Finally, let us know in the comments, which food will you add to your plate today?